Welcome back to AudioTrends TV. Today we've got the Bowers & Wilkins Formation Flex. We're going to open it up for you and give you a sound test. So let's get straight into it. Now while the speaker's booting up, I'll tell you a few quick things about the Flex. In terms of streaming, you've got a few options. You've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple Airplay, Spotify Connect, and Roon. So as you can see, that's all you'd ever need. Now it looks like it's booted up, so let's get it connected via the app. Okay, so in terms of setup, this was honestly one of the easiest things I've ever set up. I reviewed many other things and this was the easiest. It took a maximum of like 2 minutes, which is amazing for this sort of product. Anyway, now that we've got it set up, let's get to that sound test, take a listen and see what you think. So there you go. Now, I really would love to hear from all of you down in the comments below. Tell me what you thought of the Formation Flex. Do you like the look of it? Did you like the way it sounded? And would you consider getting one? In my opinion, the Flex really shines with instrumental music. It's crisp, clear, and just beautiful. Now, if you've already made up your mind and you would like to get a Flex, why not get one from our website? It's audiotrends.com.au. We've always got a good price and a very good deal. And if you've got any questions about the Formation Flex, you can give us a call on 03 9874 8233. That's going to be all for this video. I really hope I helped make your mind over and decide if you want to get a Flex. Thank you so much for watching AudioTrends TV, and I'll see you again in the next one. Catch you later.